Alright guys, I'm gonna show you guys the roti now, okay? This is the roti what we just make with the dal. See? Delicious. I see, soft. Anybody can do it. Alright, today we're making some dal. Alright, Guyanese dal. Alright, in 30 minutes, meal, dal and roti. Because, I don't know, go home sometime you don't know what to cook. And that's the fastest thing you can prepare to cook. Alright, dal and roti, sada roti. Alright, I'm gonna start cooking the dal. I have, this is like 5 cups of water in the pot. And I have 1.5 cup of dal. I'm gonna throw the dal in. So 30 minutes, alright? I'm going to start this. Adding onion. Throw some spinach. Half a pepper. Some scallion. Onions, half onions, or maybe less you can use. Four flake, you can use like four flake of garlic. All right, now I use a little bit of turmeric. See? Alright? See the more? Some masala. Okay? Some jeera. Alright? And a little bit of curry powder. Alright? And some salt. Alright, that's too much. Like a teaspoon-and-a-half salt. Now we're gonna whisk it. Whisk it until it gets smooth. Whisk it. Smooth. I have 2 cups of water to dry it out. So you have to add water once you dry it down. You add some hot water. Do not add cold water because you drop the flavor of the dal. Add hot water. Once that gets smooth. Alright. Just gonna whip this up. Turn it over there. I don't want it to run over. This. After this, I'm gonna make the roti. That's the 30 minutes meal. The sada roti with dal. This is cooked here. Get that smooth. So it's the kind of thing, but it's chunky. Then you want a thing like, I don't have one of those. Gotta get one. I got spinach in my dal. People like to put saijan. I remember my grandmother used to put saijan. It's almost here. Let's go get rid of some of the lumps from the ones that didn't cook. Make it smooth. The skin. It's very simple. This is very good for your body. It's beans. It's very healthy. Make you strong. Dal and rice and fry egg, man. Fucking home once in Guyana. It's almost there, see? It's getting there. See there? Little more. Want it to be smooth. Alright. Some people get the machine. A blender machine. I don't have one of those. I use my hand. When you use a blender, then you blend up all the everything smooth. And when you look like a soup. Everything natural. Some people like to use put it in the pressure pot, but I like to use the pressure pot. It take away the flavor of it all. I like it. Cook it on the stove. Sometimes it all depends. Sometimes it cook fast. Some of them cook fast. Some of them cooks long time. This one done today or fast today. A lot of fast. Yeah. This one not fast today. Should be on. After this I'll make the roti, yes. This are rotis there. This is a 30 minutes meal. Turn it up. See that, guys? How it's come together. Just keep my tail clean. Sometimes it's always a little too thick. You can always add a little hot water. Alright, that all depends how you like it. If you want it thick or you want it a little loose. For we don't like it a lot. We don't like it thick. I like it a little bit on the middle side. So this is it's almost there. A little more. Yeah, 1 or 2 pieces. Alright, let's do this. Let's deal with this. I'm gonna come. Alright, this is almost ready. Ready to get garlic. I'm gonna cut up the garlic now, chunk it. brace for me. See. We're gonna chunk it in the dal. Add the garlic here, parching it. Garlic and jeera parchment with oil. You put the jeera first, and then it get a good color, and then you add the garlic. After this, I'm gonna start the sada roti. Let the garlic get brown whenever you cook it. Alright. That's it. See? That's what it is. We just showed it.